Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to explain about 17th aphorism according to Organon of Medicine, 6th edition. So let's get started. In this aphorism, it is explained that once a physician aims in removal of the signs and symptoms, that means totality of the case. At the same time, the derangement existing in the vital force is also removed at the same time. So what we have to aim at is first to treat the totality of symptoms, and automatically the health will be restored. We shouldn't do, it is not needed for us to do again anything to restore the health back after the removal of disease. That just removal of disease is itself the indication that the person is back to the healthy functioning. So that is explained in this aphorism. And also there are two footnotes for this aphorism, in which Hahnemann explained that a warning dream, a superstitious fancy, or a solemn prediction that death would occur at a certain day or hour has not infrequently, that means frequently, produced all signs of commencing and increasing disease, of approaching death, and death itself at the hour announced. So this is not prominently seen nowadays. That means, predicting their own death or say their downfall, and thinking that someone has done some black kind of magic with them. All those things are not prevailed right now, but we can definitely, if we closely interact with so many people suffering with chronic issues, there are some scenarios they will definitely date back themselves to, like loss of any job, or say moving from their hometown, or fight with their own spouse, and fight with their kids, or being separated from the family. These all kinds of emotional or mental derangement is generally dated back in most of the cases, not every scenario, but in most of the cases. So we have to consider even that derangement as a part of totality. And also in second footnote, he praises the nature of functioning. Back then, God is something believed to be responsible for all these things, and now also, of course, but it's the nature we have to be thankful for. And also the functioning of the human body, that it itself explains that something is happening inside through perceivable signs and symptoms. That means if someone is sound and healthy, there wouldn't be any signs and symptoms, right? But if there isn't this mechanism where the vital force can explain itself by some disturbed disease kind of thing, we will definitely be not aware of what exactly is happening inside. To put it in simple words, pain is really a protective mechanism. If there wasn't any pain perceivable by the person, it wouldn't be evident that some kind of infection is there inside the body. Or if some kind of loss of pain is not there, that means if there is loss of pain seen in peripheral neuropathy cases, wherein diabetic patients, if there is any kind of nerve damage, if there is no pain perceivable in that conditions, the person will not be able to know that there is some kind of prick, and couldn't recognize until a lot of damage has been done. For example, if diabetics are not advised to walk with barefoot because their pain receptors are very weak, they can't know if something has pricked into their sole, and sometimes they realize that after a lot of blood is gone. So that would be the case. So this pain is really a blessing to the humankind, and this derangement, the ability to put forth itself, the vital force, the functioning of the vital force, we have to be thankful to the nature and God and functioning of this human body. So that's something which Hahnemann philosophically and spiritually dealt in the second footnote. So hope this podcast was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for such more homeopathy subject related videos. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a good day. Bye.